Plagiarism. What does plagiarism mean to you? In your academic and professional life, honesty, integrity, and ethics are taken very seriously. Plagiarism is an ethical issue. It falls under the idea of academic integrity or academic honesty. It is the theft of intellectual property, and it is considered cheating. Students often think of plagiarism as copying and handing in a paper as if it were their own. This, of course, is plagiarism, but only one example. In fact, plagiarism refers to using any idea, writing, or image without giving credit to the original source. This occurs whether the action is intentional or unintentional. In this tutorial, we are going to explore different types of plagiarism as identified by Turnitin. You as a student can avoid conflicts by simply honoring others' work by citing all the sources you've consulted for your project. Turnitin is a plagiarism detecting tool that CMC professors use in conjunction with Canvas to help assess the authenticity and scholarship in student essays and research papers. Turnitin finds text that matches other sources in the massive Turnitin databases and highlights those matches. Some matches are understood to be more offensive than others. There are 10 offenses that Turnitin specifically looks for in submitted work. The most problematic types of plagiarism are listed first. Of course, first is the clone. A clone is submitting another's work, word for word, as one's own. Control C, work containing significant portions of text from a single source. Find replace, changing keywords and phrases, but retaining the essential content of the source. Remix, using paraphrases from multiple sources made to fit together. Recycle, submits writings borrowed generously from your own previous work without citation. Hybrid, this combines perfectly cited sources with copied passages without citation. Mashup, this mixes copied material from multiple sources. 404 error includes citations to non-existent sources or inaccurate information about sources. Aggregator includes proper citations in the paper, but the paper contains almost no original thoughts. Retweet, this includes proper citation, but relies too closely on the text's original wording and/or structure. What doesn't have to be cited? The exception is common knowledge. This describes information that is easily observed, such as the sky is blue, or commonly repeated facts as Denver is the capital of Colorado. It also includes common phrases such as hindsight is 2020. Common knowledge does not have to be cited. Probably the most important reason not to plagiarize is that it undermines your development as a writer and researcher by destroying your ability to expand on your own thoughts, ideas, and interpretations of newly learned material. Lean in and challenge yourself to give credit where credit is due. Cite your summaries, paraphrases, and quotations correctly, and you will be successful at CMC. Ask a CMC librarian. We're here to help.